So it's the 15th of March 2011. It's pouring with rain here in Provence. It's my son's birthday, so we're going to go out for a pizza tonight. Not at McDonald's, which is what he wanted to. And I'm on my way to the printing factory to pick up the first ever batch of Mirabeau labels. So I've not seen what they look like yet. I've signed off the artwork. I've only seen them really on the computer screen. But this has been the label design. It's been 6 months of quite painful work as far as the amount of man hours, woman hours, children hours we spent on developing the idea. And it's such a nice, I think, such a pretty label. The 5 birds are representing the 5 of us in the family, and the tree of life represented by the vine. So I think it's a beautiful label, and I just hope it looks as good as it's meant to look when I see it in real life. And we're getting 30,000 of them printed, which is an awful lot, but obviously it costs in to get more done. But my goodness me, if it doesn't look right, then I don't know what I'm going to do. Because we're actually doing the bottling, our first ever bottling, on Thursday. So basically, whatever it looks like, I've got to accept them today. Fingers crossed. This car always stalls when I arrive. Right, let's see what these labels look like.
C'est pas 1500 pour
25 c'est tout.
Parce que tu vois, si je mets 2500 là pour
Hein? Vous voyez là, il y a le système de couteau, on va couper.
Ah.
Voilà.
Voilà.